Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the 574 by New Balance in collaboration with American footwear designer Salehe Bembury. At first a limited regional release in late October 2021, these officially released in March 2022 here in the UK for £130. The box features painted outdoor landscapes with various huts, trees and plants, and the shoe comes wrapped in brown paper with Salehe and MB branding with no extra accessories. I love the box design, an extra set of laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Salehe Bembury takes a chunkier hiker approach to the classic New Balance 574, equipped in the sole with a robust Absorb SBS and roller bar cushioning, a web mesh upper with full grain suede overlays. More outdoor details include the rubber overlays at the toe tip for added protection, a ripstop mesh tongue, a thick ruggedized outsole, and of course the whistle at the heel that says remove in case of emergency. Thanks for watching, please comment YURT to show me you watched this video to the end. Apart from that, have a good day.